हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आप लोगों को क्या सिखाया था? फंक्शंस में मैंने आप लोगों को क्या सिखाया था? डोमेन, कोडोमेन, रेंज. ओके, नाउ वी विल डू टुडे one function. Now what is a one function? A function f from a to b is said to be one function if different elements of a has different images of b. Different elements of a has different images of b. Please remember, जो a में एलिमेंट रहते हैं उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? डोमेन. डोमेन इज ऑलवेज ऑन द x एक्सिस. प्लीज रिमेंबर, जो भी पॉइंट्स में यहाँ लिखता है दिस आर व्हाट? x कोऑर्डिनेट. कल मैंने शाइनिंग मारा था ईश्य, अगवाई, चड्डा, दिसला, इफ यू रिमेंबर. ओके, a contains elements I, A, B, C, D and B contains elements. अरे इनामदार सर नहीं दिख रहे. ओके, नाउ इफ वन एलिमेंट इज कनेक्टेड टू वन एलिमेंट, okay, one element is connected to one element, it is called what? One function. Okay, but please remember the function is defined if and only if all the elements of A are connected with what? Unique element of B. यहाँ कोई भी अगर बच्चा रहेगा तो it is not a function. All the elements of A is associated with what? Unique element of B. Now, how to find a given function whether it is one or many one? अगर वो one है तो many one नहीं है. अगर वो many one है तो one नहीं है. ओके, अगर one है तो many one नहीं है, many one है तो one नहीं है. तो प्रूफ कैसा करते हैं? If f of a equal to f of b, f of a means this is what? Value of a function at x equal to a. वैल्यू ऑफ अ फंक्शन f of a, ये अगर आप ग्राफिकली ड्रॉ करोगे तो ये किधर रहता है? दिस इज ऑन y एक्सिस. वैल्यू ऑफ अ फंक्शन इज ऑन द y एक्सिस एंड डोमेन इज ऑन द x एक्सिस. तो मैं कैसा प्रूव करने वाला हूं? देखो, इफ f of a, सपोज यहां पे f of a है और f of b है एंड दिस इज a and b. A is connected to f of a, b is connected to f of b. Okay, now if f of a and f of b are equal, then a and b should be what? Equal. क्योंकि ये दोनों अगर एक हो गए तो ये दोनों अगर अलग रह गए तो फंक्शन will become what? Many one. Okay, now means if f of a is equal to f of b, then a should be equal to what? b. Please remember, अगर ये दोनों इक्वल है तो ये दोनों भी इक्वल चाहिए. दोनों इक्वल हो गए तो the function will become what? one. So this is one of the method. इसके ऊपर एक दो प्रॉब्लम्स करते हैं. one फंक्शन के लिए if f of a equal to f of b, then prove that a is equal to b, then the function is one. Okay, one function means one element of domain is connected to one element of codomain. Copy it down please. For example, f is a function from r to r, means this is r means real number. आपका डोमेन क्या है? all real numbers. आपका कोडोमेन क्या है? all real numbers. Okay, if f is a function from r to r and f of x is defined to be, for example, 2x plus 3, then find whether the function is one. One function is also called as what? Injective function. Injection means what? One function. One function is also called as what? Injective function. Now मैंने क्या बोला है? आपको कैसा प्रूफ करना है? If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, it should implies what? x1 is equal to x2. Okay? Now f of x is 2x plus 3, so f of x1 will be what? जिधर भी x उधर क्या डालो? x1. जितना पण x तिकडे झाला x1. So what will be f of x1? 2x1 plus 3. What will be f of x2? 2x2 plus 3. Happy birthday. Therefore x1 is equal to what? x2. Now if f of x1 equal to f of x2, what we are getting? x1 equal to x2. Therefore the function f is what? 1 1 function. 1 1 function को हम लोग also बोलते हैं इंजेक्टिव फंक्शन. समझते हैं क्या what I am saying? कोई एग्जांपल लेते हैं. For example, g is a function from R to R where g is defined to be what? X square. Find whether the function is what? 1. Now how to find if g of x1 is equal to g of x2, it should imply what? x1 is equal to x2. Okay, this is our what? Algebraic method. Okay, how much will be g of x1? G of x is x square. What will be g of x1? g कडे पण x, तिकडे घाला x1. So this will become x1 square. How much will be g of x2? x2 square. If x1 square is equal to x2 square, then how much will be x1? x1 is what? Plus or minus x2. बराबर ना? If a square equal to 4, a is plus or minus 2. If x1 square equal to x2 square, x1 is equal to what? Plus or minus x2. So here we are not getting x1 equal to x2. Therefore, this function is what? Not 1 1. अगर function 1 1 नहीं है तो function क्या है? Many 1. Therefore, the function is what? Many 1 function. This is the first method. This is called what? Algebraic method. Algebraic method मतलब क्या? If f of x1 equal to f of x2, if you are getting x1 equal to x2, then the function is what? 1 1. Otherwise, the function is many 1. इसमें for one value of x1, we are getting what? Two values. Okay, so it becomes what? Many 1. Okay, 1 1 x1 equal to x2 strictly आना चाहिए if f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Please copy it down. हम लोग second method करेंगे, which is graphical method. Second method is graphical method. Okay, graphical method के लिए क्या है? Draw the graph of the given function. Draw the graph of the given function. Okay, then what? Draw a line parallel to x-axis. Draw a line parallel to what? X-axis. If that line cuts the given graph only or exactly in one point, then the function is what? 1 1 function. क्या बड़बड़ कर रहा है बूटा? प्लीज याद रखिए, मैंने क्या बोला है आपको ग्राफ ड्रॉ करने आना चाहिए. लाइन तो आप लोगों को आती है. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल जो मैंने लिया था, f of x was how much? 2x plus 3. Okay, we will draw graph of this. This is a line. f of x मतलब हम लोग क्या लेते हैं इसको? y. Where it cuts y axis, we put x equal to 0. इधर तो यहाँ आ जाएगा 0, 3. Where it cuts what? X axis, we will put y equal to 0. X will be what? Minus 3 by 2. So this is your graph. ग्राफ मतलब इसका हम लोग ने ड्रॉ किया है. ग्राफ ये अपन ने 10th स्टैंडर्ड में भी किया है. Put x equal to 0, x equal to 1, etc. etc. Draw the graph. Draw a line parallel to what? X axis. Now you can see here this line is intersecting this line only in one point. एक ही पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट होता रहेगा तो फंक्शन इज व्हाट? 1. नहीं समझा? वेरी गुड. और एक लाइन दिया था हम लोग ने, g of x is x square where g is defined from r to r. ओके, g of x मतलब y equal to x square. नाउ x square है तो ये कर्व है. दिस इज अ पैराबोला जिनको पता है. दिस विल बी द कर्व. Draw a line parallel to what? X-axis. Now you can see this line is intersecting this curve in how many points? More than one point. When it is intersecting in more than one point, the function is not 1 1, means the function is what? Many 1. वो झंझट करने की कुछ जरूरत नहीं थी. नो द ग्राफ, द प्रॉब्लम्स लगेज चालू स्टार्ट एकदम फटाफट सॉल्व हो जाएगा. पहला मेथड क्या था? एल्जेब्रिक मेथड. इफ f of x1 equal to f of x2, prove that x1 equal to x2. Second method is what? Graphical method. Draw the graph of the given function. Draw a line parallel to what? X-axis. If it cuts in only one point, function is 1 1 function or injective function. If it cuts in more than one point, then it is what? Not 1 1. If it is not 1 1, it is what? Many 1. Okay? और ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं, प्लीज कॉपी कीजिए. Next, for example, f is a function from R to R. f of x is equal to mod x. अगर आपको मॉड्यूलस फंक्शंस पता है तो mod means always positive. This is graph of mod x. If you draw a line parallel to x-axis, it intersects in more than one point. So this function is what? Many one function. For example, f is a function or g is a function from R to R, and your g of x is sin x. If you know sin x का curve, sin x का value is between what? -1 to +1. ये continuous चलता रहेगा because आपका domain क्या है? All real numbers. If you draw a line parallel to x-axis, it intersects the curve in more than one point. So the function is again what? Many one function. Simple graphical method provided you must know graphs. Graphs आता रहेगा तो बहुत सारे problems आपके फटाफट solve हो जाएंगे. For example, h is a function from -π/2 to π/2. Okay, implies from -1 to 1. Okay, तो ये आपका डोमेन है. डोमेन सिर्फ आपको उन्होंने क्या दिया है? -π/2 to π/2. आपको डोमेन पे हमेशा ध्यान देना होगा. आपको फाइंड करना है whether the function is 1 1 or many 1. सिर्फ -π/2 और π/2. This is your π/2. This is your -π/2. इसके बीच का ही आपको ग्राफ चाहिए. तो ये फंक्शन h फंक्शन का ग्राफ कैसा आ जाएगा? ये हो गया आपका ग्राफ. This is what? -π/2. This is what? +π/2. Okay. Now if you draw a line parallel to x-axis, it intersects in only what? One point. So this function is what? 1 1 function. Okay. ये भी फंक्शन कोई दिया है. h of x is what? sin x. But domain is what? -π/2 to π/2. When domain is from -π/2 to π/2, आपका ये रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाता है तो इतना सा कर्व आता है, and this intersects the line parallel to x-axis in only one point. So this function is what? This is 1 1 function. जब भी आप लोग फाइंड करते हो whether the function is 1 1 or many 1, you always have to see what the domain क्या दिया हुआ है. यहाँ क्या दिया था? All real numbers. तो ये ग्राफ कंटिन्यूस ऐसा चलता रहेगा. तो it intersects in what? More than one point. Here the domain is restricted to what? -π/2 to π/2. So इतना सा ग्राफ आ रहा है. It intersects this line only in one point. So this function is what? This is 1 1 function. Please copy कीजिए. अभी हम लोग थर्ड मेथड करेंगे, कैलकुलस मेथड. Please copy this. What is calculus method? If f of x is a given function, you have to differentiate this and find what f dash x. Now, if f dash x is greater than 0, then the function is strictly increasing, and if f dash x is less than 0, the function is strictly decreasing. Okay, given a function कुछ भी दिया रहेगा f of x, उसको आपको क्या करना है, डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करना है f dash x. If f dash x is greater than 0, function is strictly increasing. If f dash x is less than 0, function is strictly decreasing. Okay, now if the function is strictly increasing or decreasing, then the function is what? 1. Either उसका डेरिवेटिव का वैल्यू शुड बी पॉजिटिव, ग्रेटर देन 0 मींस व्हाट, पॉजिटिव, और इट शुड बी व्हाट, नेगेटिव. If the value is only positive, it is strictly increasing. It is strictly increasing means the function is what, 1. Or if the value is only negative, function is strictly decreasing, then what, the function is 1. Either the value of the derivative should be what, positive, or it should be negative. कॉपी कीजिए, इसके ऊपर प्रॉब्लम्स करते हैं. ओके, थर्ड find whether the function is 1 1 or minimum. The function is from -1 to infinity r, where your f of x is what, x square plus 2x. G is a function from 1 to infinity, where your g of x is how much, e raised to x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Okay, for example, h is a function from r to r, and h of x is 2 raised to x into x minus 1. Okay, whether the function is increasing or decreasing. We will solve this by using which method? Calculus method. What is calculus method? Calculus method is what, given a function, what you have to do, differentiate. इसका डेरिवेटिव निकालते हैं. Differentiate this with respect to x. What is derivative of f of x? F dash x. What is derivative of x square? 2x. What is derivative of 2x? 2. Therefore, how much will be f dash x? 2 into x plus 1. Correct? Now, ये क्या है, उन्होंने क्या दिया है, डोमेन किधर है, -1 to infinity. डोमेन पे हमेशा ध्यान देने का है. दिस इज योर डोमेन. डोमेन इज फ्रॉम व्हाट, -1 to infinity. नाउ ये डोमेन दिया है, मतलब ये -1 से बड़ा है, ये -1 से बड़ा है, मतलब ये हमेशा क्या रहेगा, पॉजिटिव. See, और x is between what, -1 to infinity. This is your domain which is given. Okay, and when x is greater than -1, this will be what, -1 से के बड़ा है, मतलब क्या रहेगा, 0 1 2 3 4, मतलब ये वैल्यू आपकी क्या आएगी, हमेशा पॉजिटिव आएगी. 2 into x plus 1 will be always greater than 0, means f dash x is greater than 0. It is strictly increasing. The function is what, 1. नहीं समझा, no problem. We will do one more problem. Now, what is your domain? 1 to infinity. डोमेन क्या है, 1 to infinity. इसको डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं. How much will be g dash x? What is derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x. What is derivative of x cube? Derivative of x cube is how much? This is 3x. Derivative of x cube is how much? 3x square. And what is derivative of 3x? 3. Derivative of 2, it is अकेला वाला केला constant. Derivative of केला is always 0. So this will become e raised to x cube minus 3x plus 2 into 3 common x square minus 1. Exponential functions are always what, positive. ये हमेशा क्या रहता है, पॉजिटिव। इसका ग्राफ अगर आप निकालेंगे, इसका ग्राफ इज ऑलवेज अबव द एक्स एक्सिस। अबव द एक्स एक्सिस मतलब ये पॉजिटिव हो गया। अभी उन्होंने क्या दिया है, x 1 से बड़ा है, दिस इज द डोमेन। x is greater than 1 minus 1, this will be always what, positive. So this will be what, greater than 0. Function is what, strictly increasing. When it is strictly increasing, function is what, 1. When it is strictly increasing, the function is what, 1 function. Next लेते हैं, h of x is this, domain is all real numbers, differentiate. How much will be h dash x? What is derivative of 2 raised to x? 2 raised to x log 2, okay, into derivative of this. ये कितना हो जाएगा, x square. x square का डेरिवेटिव कितना है, 2x, और x का डेरिवेटिव कितना है, करेक्ट। तो इसमें से अगर मैंने 2 कॉमन ले लिया तो दिस विल बी 2 into 2 raised to x into x minus 1 log 2 into x minus half. अभी ध्यान दीजिए प्लीज, डोमेन क्या है, ऑल रियल नंबर्स। जब भी x हाफ से छोटा है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव। मतलब x माइनस हाफ विल बी नेगेटिव इफ x इज लेस देन हाफ, एंड x माइनस हाफ विल बी पॉजिटिव इफ x इज व्हाट, ग्रेटर देन हाफ। ये हमको दिया है ऑल रियल नंबर्स, डोमेन ऑल रियल नंबर्स है। So for less than half this is negative, for greater than half it is positive. So function is neither strictly increasing nor decreasing. Therefore this function is what, many one function. क्योंकि less than half के लिए function क्या हो रहा है, decrease. Greater than half के लिए function क्या हो रहा है, increase. What is the definition? It should strictly increase or strictly decrease. एक ही प्रॉब्लम में क्या हो रहा है, इट इज डिक्रीजिंग एज वेल एज इंक्रीजिंग। सो दिस इज व्हिच फंक्शन, मेनी वन फंक्शन। मैंने आपको 3 मेथड्स दिखाया है, आप कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट मेथड मैंने सिखाया आपको अलजेब्रिक मेथड, इफ f of x1 is equal to f of x2 then x1 is should be equal to x2। सेकंड मेथड, आपको ग्राफ्स आने चाहिए, आप ग्राफ ड्रॉ कीजिए, ड्रॉ अ लाइन पैरेलल टू व्हाट, x axis। इफ इट इंटरसेक्ट्स द कर्व with more than one point the function is not 1 if it is not 1 it is what, many one। Third method, calculus method, you differentiate the given function. If it is always positive, then it is strictly increasing. If it is always negative, it is strictly decreasing. And if the function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, then the function is what, 1 Otherwise, the function is many one। शायद मुझे लगता है आप लोग को समझ गया है what is 1 function। 3 methods कोई भी यूज कीजिए, okay। फर्स्ट मेथड इज, मेरे को लगता है इजी है। सेकंड मेथड इफ यू नो द ग्राफ दैट इज इजी। थर्ड मेथड इफ यू नो डिफरेंशिएशन इट इज इजी, ओके। Next lecture we will do what is into function and onto function. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Thank you.